This is our installation of the Team Shelby Racing decal video. We've had a few guys ask about the best way to install them, so this is a great example right here. As you can see, Bob's got his preferred Visa card out.
That's Hans's.
Oh, Hans's. Either way, it works.
I'm the only one who brought a credit card.
But, you know, credit card, driver's license, anything of the sort. But two people definitely help to get it, you know, to get it nice and straight and level. So we hope this video helps. If you guys need any more help, just give us a shout.
Peel it off really slow.
Yeah. This one where the checkerboards are is the only thing to it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and the small decals even more. You have to be even more cautious with the smaller decal around those checkered flags.
I know. Trying to be careful with the checkerboard.
Yeah, that's a separate piece.
Oh, okay. The only place to checkerboards is back there.
Correct.
So.